our other trending story now. So there are 4 members of a fraternity at San Diego State that find themselves now facing felony charges after a pledge was set on fire. 4 members of the Phi Kappa Phi fraternity are all charged with at least 1 felony crime earlier this week. Prosecutors are alleging that that fire was set as part of a skit performed at a party last year, which caused 3rd-degree burns covering 16% of the victim's body. All of these defendants have pleaded not guilty, and this isn't the first time this university has had trouble with its fraternities. According to the university website, several other problems have prompted investigations to come up, and at least a half dozen have been put on probation over the last 2 years. So this morning we're asking, is this behavior a fraternity problem or a university problem? Or both? John Phillips, to you first on this, please.
It's both. So I was in a fraternity back in the day, University of Alabama, no cell phones.
Roll Tide.
Roll Tide. And you can call it skits. It was also pre-Saban, so we didn't have as much to do. But you can call them skits all you want, but they're forced. They're hazing. And when you have a bunch of 18 to 24, 23-year-olds, a lot of alcohol, these things happen. They happen actually pretty commonly. We hear about one of these a year. And, certainly the alumni, the house chapter, the corporate entity that controls this house and this fraternity are exposed to liability. And depending upon how often the university has dealt with this, they are as well.
John, thank you for that. Great points. Michael J. Brown, your thoughts on who's got some responsibility here?
Yeah, certainly the fraternity does, Julie. This is a game of Russian roulette, and you have a bunch of kids, as John said, with alcohol. They're young. They make some stupid decisions, and most of the times things turn out okay. But that's not all right, because in these rare cases, when somebody has a significant injury or fatality, the claim that I didn't mean to hurt anybody or I didn't mean to cause that harm certainly just doesn't work in the criminal justice system, because it's like tantamount to standing on the overpass and throwing rocks off saying, hey, I didn't mean to hurt anybody. But clearly, your actions are likely to cause injury. So that recklessness is definitely subject to criminal prosecution.
I love that example. Great example. Michael, thank you for that. You're coming along with us. John Phillips, we've got to say goodbye to you. Thank you so much for your insight. And please keep us posted on the case you have with YNW Melly. Keep us posted on those developments if you would kindly, please. We'll see you soon. Take good care.